Welcome to Imandeni Lockdown House Party this Sunday, Bafethu. We are rolling with Usicelo Wakazungu. You know what time it is, Bafethu. It's Imandeni Lockdown House Party. Bafethu namhlanje we'll be kicking ifurniture yonke into so qeqisa Bafethu ube nespace because it's going down this Sunday, Bafethu. Last week it was our heritage week. Celebrate kamnandi sibonge bonke mfethu abantu abafikile kuMandeni Lockdown House Party last week who are showing us some talent abo la eMandeni bafethu nazi nadi la eMandeni sihamba kanjani bafethu. This Sunday I'm with iChamp bafethu shaya iChamp siphethe iChamp ngihamba neChamp bafethu uNtokozo Mgwaba bafethu unjani bhuti wami?
Ngiyaphila bro, ngiyaphila mfethu.
Sure, Fethu. Untokozo, you're a champ kwi OLKB. Tell me, yip ingani leo division, Fethu?
I got 3 titles. I got the IKF, which is International Kickboxing Federation.
Sure.
South African title, which is English sports media platform in South Africa. Ngizoba iWACO South African champion. Bese ngizoba i-OLKB welterweight world champion kickboxer, which means a Latin American welterweight world champion kickboxer.
Sure.
Latin American means Spanish and Portuguese sports media platform.
Oh yeah. Fethu, ngiyacabanga right now the viewers at home are wondering ukuthi uyiChamp kephi ngani uNtokozo. Earlier on the show, besikhuluma bhuti wami, you are involved with karate, you involved with kickboxing, MMA. I'm not sure with the details ukuthi kuhamba kanjani with the MMA and no kickboxing, but sacela ungichazele bhuti wami ukuthi ijourney yakho uqale nini ukuba involved with karate kuwo wonke ama martial arts sports.
My journey started I think 26 years ago.
Sure.
So ngiqale ngijim karate eCrash la eSondombili.
Oh yeah.
Since 1994.
Okay.
And then ngangine so it was gokhona role model engangibuhela kuyona 3 times world champion iquarters Mr. Tolenslin.
Okay.
So yeah, we are inspire ngimbona ku TV crown ama world titles the time kickboxing so popular during 90s.
Oh yeah.
So then by that time and then I went to iquarters ngajima khona. Ngagcina ngicrowna ama titles accomplishment because I was surrounded by ama mentors boxing
Sure.
champions.
Sure.
Yeah. So idream yami yabalapho and from there ngalokho ngijimile nje till ngize ngicrowna last year I world title.
Sure.
Latin American kickboxing organization which is Spanish and Portuguese sports media platform. Many organization ngengakubona nama ngengaba involved wona internationally due to politics angikwazi ngicrowna ama world title.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's one of my obstacles ibanzima kakhulu. So my home now is Latin American sports media platform or Spanish and Portuguese sports media platform which enze ukuthi ibe number 1 in the world. So now I'm bringing back to community ngitrainer iKaido combat workouts. Kaido combat workout kusho ukuthi is a fitness lapho othola ukuthi the community iyayilandele lo role model iyofuna ifitness just not for fighting but I trainer for ukuthi be healthy, living a healthy lifestyle.
Okay.
Yeah, nezifo like trauma, cancer, depression, or stroke, zonke lezo zinto njengalezo. No increase stamina, njengalezo.
Ngiyabona bhuti wami ukuthi une history ku martial arts sports ngokuhlukana kwawo ngamagama awo kodwa mina ngihold red belt mina mfethu wena ubamba ba
mina uthule belt kodwa kuma belts ngathi ahlukene ke in terms ikyokushin karate ngino first Q brown belt.
Okay.
And then with kickboxing, I got almost black belt.
Fethu, black belt, and I'm only on the red belt. And the second, like me, I'm only running the streets, fethu. That's all. Good community. What role are you playing? Yes, uthi uneskole osusiqalayo. Like, what's that about?
Good community. I'm bringing back to community.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm trainer iKaido combat workout as ngiyachaza ukuthi it's a fitness community.
Sure.
Ngoba during the 90s into ebitrend kakhulu bekuyikarate. Yebo.
Okay.
So yonke into ihamba ishintshe. So yayidemanded leso sikhathi so sasinamadoje ey'koleni kononhlanhla hall ngoba itrend leso sikhathi
sure
now it's few uthola ukuthi ukubona umuntu ntambama ugqoke i-karate suit yabo now sekutrend kakhulu ama-aerobics so njengamanje we are bring back to community into abayifuna kuthina siba into abayidingayo abantu badinga i-fitness now.
Okay.
Yeah, yona into
too much, especially with this whole corona thing going on around the world. Yeah.
True. It's very important to be healthy, ube healthy,
sure.
Ube fit. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
But I mean, I understand ukuthi usazongikhombisa abokhiki bakho baphethe, but before we go there, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi isikole sakho utholakala kanjani uNtokozo yena ezuNtokozo utholakala kanjani kwama social platforms wakhe and since kuqhubeka futhi nanodlame towards abantu besifazane nengane uNtokozo where does it stand ngalokho?
It's very important lokho kakhulu kwi community ukuthi it's very important ukuthi abantu bafike bezo learn from the best because I'm the best in the world. So I think Mandeni is privileged ukuthi ibe nomuntu number 1 kwi sports emhlabeni which nabantu abaningi mhlawumbe about 1 billion or 2 billion abafuna ukufana nami.
Yeah.
So they must learn from the best. Bona bangithola kuma social platforms ila abafunda khona ube ngiposta ama content, ngiposte i-fitness, ngiposte i-self defense every 24 hours. So they learn from me from the best. So youth middle age guys, adults, bonke umuntu you are welcome to come and train with the Ntokozo Blessing Mkwaba, all KB welterweight world champion.
Okay.
Kickboxer. Yes.
Okay. But wami ngenxa yesikhathi mfethu sacela ungidemonstrate ama workouts akho mfethu nami ngifuna yabo khahlele lapha mfethu bakhombisa ukuthi hayi mfethu ade ngihleli nekarate la namhlanje.
Yeah, especially osisi because ngoba kuya kwisama bayabangije bayebeze kimi abathi bafuna ugqoka ama bump shots.
Sure.
So ngizofocusa most kuma squats to inspire about wona ukuthi bazogqoka ama bump shots.
Let's get into it mfethu.
Okay, yabo? Thanks Jess.
Sure. Bafethu babukele emakhaya sesobona uNtokozo bafethu esikhombisa ukuthi kwenza kanjani nami ngizoyimisela kakhulu bafethu. Mandeni lockdown house party you rolling with uSicelo Wakazungu, you know what time it is bafethu. Showcase.